Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to bleed the air out of your brake lines on your own using only a clear hose, okay? Now I need to do this because in the last video, I replaced my wheel cylinder. So naturally air got inside our brake system, so we need to bleed that air out. First, I need to put the brake drums back on. Okay, so just so you know, these two brake lines are for the both front brake calipers, okay? This is for the left brake caliper and this is for the right front brake caliper, and this is for the rear brakes. So when we bleed the air out of our brake lines, we need to start with the brake bleeder that is nearest to the brake master. So in this case, it is the front left tire, second is the front right tire, and then we'll do the rear, okay? So with the engine running, try to pump the brake pedal a couple of times. This will push the air inside our system to the very end of our brake lines, okay? That way, should we open the bleeder screw, it is air that is going to first come out, okay? So pump your brakes a couple of times and then press, hold that down, and use a pipe to hold the foot pedal down. Okay, so now we can take this rubber cover off. Just so you know, okay, I just turned off the engine just so you can hear my voice, but you don't actually have to turn the engine off. So 10mm wrench, insert the bleeder hose on the bleeder screw, okay, and the other tip on this container. Now remember, we still have the pipe applying pressure on the brake pedal, okay? So should we open this bleeder screw, what we would want to see is pure brake fluid coming out of this clear hose. We don't want to see air pockets. So I'll open that now. And see, there is no air coming out. So that's only purely brake fluid. So repeat the process, pump your brakes again and hold it down and off the bleeder screw. Okay, so purely brake fluid, close that. There's no air inside the system. Okay, so pull this out, empty the brake fluid inside this container, put the rubber cover back on. So again, pump the brake, hold it down, do the same method on the other side. Open this and it's all purely brake fluid. Actually there's dirt, most probably from the bleeder screw. So we'll close that down, no air here, tighten that down, remove and put the cover back on. So again, pump the brake pedal a couple of times, push it down. Okay, so for the rear there's only one bleeder screw. Open that and there's still some air. Close that down. Again, pump the brake pedal until you feel pressure and open the bleeder screw again. Okay, so purely brake fluid. There's still some more. Close that down. Pump again. Hold that down. Open the bleeder screw and there's still some more. Okay, so repeat the process, pump again, hold it down and open the bleeder screw, and that's pure brake fluid. So close that down, no more air pockets. Put the rubber cover back on. Try to feel if your brake pedal is no longer spongy, so meaning no more air in our brake system. So you see, we've only wasted this amount of brake fluid. So as simple as that, that is how you bleed the air out of your brake lines. So I will end this video here. I hope you find this helpful and informative. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. Only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.